Okay, let's start with question 2. You have $5,000 and you deposit the money in a mutual fund that has an average return of 9% compounded annually. How much will you have when you retire in 25 years? Okay, so let's look at all the elements of our equation. I'm going to rewrite the compound interest equation. Future value equals present value 1 plus I to the power of n. Future value is the thing we're trying to find. Present value here, that's $5,000. Average return of 9%. That's going to be 1 because it says annual. That annual means it's J1 equals 9% or 0.09. That means that I is going to be 9% divided by 1, which is just 0.09. That's the good thing about annual and why people use them. Let's change colors so we can see it a little better. N is going to be 25 years. Here, N is counting years because it's the same as annual. Those things go together. If it was a monthly, we would talk about months. So our future value, actually, let's write this at the bottom. We end up with future value equals 5,000, 1 plus 9%, which is 1.09, to the power of 25. I'm just going to show this on the calculator because sometimes it can get difficult. 5,000 times 1.09 to the power of, that's this y to the power of x, and then I write 25. And I should get 43,000. It's a big number. If you're getting the wrong answer, and I'd like you to try this, it's a good chance that your settings are wrong. So go back to week 0, look at the video on how to do your settings, and make sure that it's on AOS mode, not CHN. Just to check, what if I had done simple interest? I would have started with $5,000 and I would have added 1 plus 9% times 25 years. Dumping that into a calculator, I would have had $16,250. What would you prefer, 43,000 or 16,000? This is definitely better. To practice this, I'm going to give you a nice little bonus. Redo with your age, so that's 65 or whatever retirement date you want, minus your age, and I'm going to say let's use J1 equals 6%. That's a more conservative estimate of how you can do in the market over the long term.